Promote CPA offers to earn 250 plus without any investment. You can simply invest your time and earn money from that. Hey guys, my name is Na and you are watching You Want to Be Review, and this channel I'm going to share with you different method, tips and tricks and strategies for making money online, affiliate marketing and CPA marketing. Whether you're using smartphone, PC or laptop, you can simply go with this method and this strategy. It is absolutely free to generate a decent amount of money from that. So let's begin the strategy that how it is working. The first and important thing is that you need to sign up with CPALead or CPAGrip.com. Basically this method ends with CPALead, so we can simply go ahead with that. Whether you can as well as use CPAGrip, so it doesn't matter. So you can simply use, because we are using a content locking or URL locking system right here in CPA marketing to generate an extra money from that. So we are going to complete this method in three different steps, so you can learn all three different steps and you can generate some money from that. So the first and important thing is that once you sign up with CPALead or CPAGrip.com right here, then you can simply grab your content. But before going to that, once you log into your account or sign up, then log into your account, the first step will be that you simply go to google.com right here. So once you go to the Google, you can simply see here this option. You can simply click on that and you can simply scroll down and have the option more from the Google. You can simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you will be redirected to this page right here. You can simply see here and scroll down and see all the Google products right here that they have it right here. You can simply click on the sites, for example Google sites or simply site. You can simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you will be redirected to this page right here. You can simply type something like "we are happy" or something like that. If you want to add some contents right here, you can simply click the text and you can simply edit. If you want to add the image, you can simply click the image and you can drop it right here or somewhere else you want. So you can simply set up by simply copy and paste this method. So for the purpose of this video to be not longer and shorter, so I can simply just set up quickly. As you can see here, we just simply set up right here. We are happy and just we give uh, follow me. This is a kind of image that we can have it. So for this purpose, we are just creating and helping the small creators, whether they are on YouTube, Facebook or Twitter. So we are going to help them to have engagement and followers for them, and then at the backside they can also help us to earn money from for us. So I just simply type it, for example, congratulations, we are happy to assist you and your social subscription for 100% free. And then we simply tell them that please contact us at gmail.com. Actually, this is the first step that we can simply start making money. But for those people, this will be the second step that they are signing up and they are earning for money for us right here. So once we set up this, and we can simply add your own email address right here that they can simply contact you right here. So once you just sign up right, you just complete this process, you can simply click on the publish button right here. Once you click on the publish button right here, so I have already published this. So if you haven't published this, then you can simply click on the publish button right here and you can simply publish. Once you publish that, then you can simply click on the copy publish site link. You can simply just click on that and this will be your link that you can simply copy this. Once you copy that, the next step is that you can simply go to the CPAGrip.com. Okay, so once you sign up with that and you log into your account, then you can simply go to the option monetization tools and you can simply just click on that. Once you click on that, you will see the option URL file lockers. Just click on that. Once you click on that, you will be visited this page. Then click on create content lockup now. Okay, or create new URL locker. You can simply just click on that. Once you click on that, then you will be visited this page right here. Here is the option, for example, the name, new URL file locker. So you can simply just type anything. For example, you can simply type it, for example, Google site, or you can simply type, for example, anything else, or even you can simply type Google. Okay, it will be enough for us. So here is the option, for example, button text, which is this one right here. You can simply change, for example, get access or something like that, you can simply change is, as you can see here. And here is the option complete an offer below to continue. So it will be this one right here. If you want to change, so it will be changed. If you don't want, so we don't want to change right here, it will be fine. So here is the option complete a survey. Simply we can simply tell people that complete below, simply we can tell people that complete below offers to access your free subscribers, something like that. We can simply tell people, okay. So once we just set up right here, as you can simply see here that it will be visible here, complete below offers to access your free subscriber right here. And once they see these three different offers, which will be from the CPAGrip, so related to their country, so they can sign up for all these three. Once they sign up, we are earning money from that. So once they sign up right here, then they can access this link. So what will be the link? So that will be our Google site link that we can simply paste it right here. So once we set up that, then we can simply click on the save button right here. So once you click on the save button right here, then it will be saved. And here is the option, for example, and you can simply just click on the get link. So copy the link. Once you copy the link, you are good to go. We just complete two different steps right here. So the final step is the third step, which is making money from us. So for us. So what we need to do, we can simply just go to twitter.com. Once you go to the twitter.com, you can simply just tap small streamers. Once you tap that, then you can simply click on the latest. As you can see here, this guy is a streamer on YouTube or something like that. As you can see, there are a lot of streamers right here. As you can see here, that's one by one. You can simply see here that most of them are on Twitch as well right here. For example, this is on Twitch right here. So what you need to do, you can simply just contact these guys right here by just clicking on the reply button right here. So once you click on the reply button, you can simply tell people that, hey, me and my friend, for example, he or my, for example, manager want to help the small creators or something like that. So if you really want to have more engagements and free subscribers to your Twitch account or your subscribe, if that is Twitch, you need to tell them the Twitch account. If that is YouTube, then you need to tell that with your YouTube account. So just complete the process below, and then you can simply just access your free subscriptions right here. So we can simply just pass the link below then, and then we can simply click on the reply. So if you want to do not be banned from the Twitter, so what you need to do, you can simply just give space right here. For example, you can simply just give space. So when you give the space right here, you can simply tell people but to remove the space to access the link, because it will not looks like link right here. If they remove the space at the back, it will just access and look something like a link. So in that way will not be banned from this website right here. So the more we can just target really easily more people, we can simply copy our text and pass it to different people right here. Okay, so this is the first tip that you can earn from Twitter. Similar to this, you can also go to the YouTube and you can simply click on the streamers. And once you click on that, then you will be visited to this page right here. For example, you just type streamer, you will be visited to this page right here. You can simply just click on the filter option and make sure that you choose the last hour, because these will be the active people. And then once you see here, then you can simply just look for the people that they have low subscription or subscribers, something like this, like 455. You can simply click on that and open the account right here. Once you open the account right here, you can simply see here, and then you can simply just email these guys right here and go to the about section. You will find the email, or you can simply go to the videos and just open one of two videos right here, and then you can simply reply to those people. For example, that hey, if you want more subscription and engagements, we can have the free subscription for you right here, and you can simply uh, complete the process. And that way you can also give your link, so they can simply go right here. For example, the first step would be that they can simply go to the locker, and then they can complete the offers, and that way after that they can access to this page right here, and then they can see the email, and then they can send you the email. Once they send you the email right here, so you can help them at the backside. What you need to do, you can simply have 3, 4, or 5 different accounts right here, and you can simply tell them that send us your, for example, your YouTube account or something like that, and that way we can simply help you. So when they send you the YouTube accounts right here, for example, or Facebook account, and that way you can simply subscribe to their channels, for example, from different accounts. And whenever they upload video, you can also help them, for example, like their video and get engagement or something like that, them for a little bit of your time, because in that way you really help them and they can help you to generate money. So the more people you have engaged, the more people you have subscribed, and the more people you have just contact, the more people you comment, so the more money you will get. That is a simple and easy formula. So hope you like the method. If you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button for this video as an appreciation. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So if you want to make more money online, then check out the first link in the description of this video, and you will be redirected to this software actually that you can does all the work for you right here. So if you are happy with this to generate an extra and to pay lot money, then you are good to go with this system, and that will work for you day and night for absolutely free after subscription right here. And that is an auto-pilot method that you have never seen before. Just check out the first link in the description and you will be redirected to this page right here. Then you can simply learn all the tips, tricks, and bonuses right here, and you can simply join it right here. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.